Here we've got HUAWEI Honor View 20, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, and here just pick phone ringtone. And let me show you all of the options that you can apply, starting with We Are the Brave.
We are the brave, we are the bold, we can be anything, anything, anything. We are the light.
And then just pick the one that you like the most, go back, and that's it. As you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.